Okay guys, so today I will be giving you a tutorial on how to make a custom ringtone. So first of all, you're gonna record whatever ringtone you want. Personally me, I would just search just what you're looking for, honestly. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna search ringtone. Then I already have a ringtone in my photos. So basically, you're gonna download, first before you do that, you're gonna go on Veed.io. Sorry about that. It's a free app, and you can convert it to an MP3. So you upload a file, photo library. Gonna do this one. Then you're gonna press convert. Make sure it's on MP3. Then you're gonna press download file. Download. Okay, now that's downloaded. You're gonna download GarageBand. Go on it. Press the plus. Press new. You're gonna press that loop button next to the settings button. Press files. Then you press browse from files app. Click whichever one. Then you click the most recent one. Then you drag it into the first square. Then you press the record button. Then you tap on your sound. And then stop recording your sound once it's all recorded. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna press down the arrow, press my songs, hold down on it, press share, ringtone. You can name it. I'm just gonna name random. Press export. Use sound as standard ringtone. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go blah, 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 and then you're just gonna pick that one, and then boom bam, you have a custom ringtone. Okay, so that is it for my tutorial, but like this video if you think I should do other tutorials, or just if you think I should do other tutorials, just comment or something. Anyway, bye.